Let us start the history of computer networking. In today's hypertech world, almost any new device is born smart enough to connect easily with the global network. This is possible because at the core of this worldwide infrastructure lies what we call the Internet, which is a set of shared communication standards, procedures, and formats called protocols. The foundation was led by the ARPANET. It was established by the United States Department of Defense. ARPANET, which is Advanced Research Projects Agency Network, was the experimental computer network that was the forerunner of the Internet. Its initial purpose was to link computers at research institutions over telephone lines. It was the first wide area packet switching network with distributed control and the first network to implement the TCP/IP protocol suite, which we will be learning in the further lectures. The first network was led between University of California at Los Angeles and the Stanford Research Institute, and then it expanded from Illinois up to New York and Washington, thereby covering the entire United States. Wow, Internet. You might have heard of this term. This term was coined by Winton Cerf, Eugen Dalal, and Carl Sunshine of Stanford University to describe this network of networks. ARPANET was expanded to connect DoD with those universities of the US that were carrying out defense-related research. The concept of networking got a boost when University College of London and Royal Radar Network, Norway, connected to the ARPANET and a network of networks was formed, which is Internet. Telnet. Telnet is a network protocol used to virtually access a computer and to provide a two-way collaborative communication channel between two machines. It follows a user transmission control protocol, that is TCP/IP protocol. Through Telnet, users can log on as a regular user with the privileges they are guaranteed on the specific applications and data on the computer. Here the concept of Internet Service Provider, that is ISP, was introduced, which is the main backbone of networking in today's world. So, can you recognize what is this? Yes, it's the WWW, that is World Wide Web. You might have heard of WWW right from your childhood. The general definition for a layman can be the three W's seen in any URL. In 1980, the Tim Berners-Lee, based in Switzerland, invented the World Wide Web. WWW is a global information medium which users can access via computers connected to the Internet. But this term is often mistakenly used as a synonym for the Internet itself and often called as Internet. Like if you ask a random person what is www, they can easily say it's Internet. But the web is a service that operates over the Internet, just as email. WWW is a complex web of websites and web pages connected to the Internet. So, as you can see, in 1957, ARPANET was formed by the United States. In 1967, ARPANET became functional. In 1970, ARPANET connected to the BBNs. Now what is a BBN? BBN stands for Broadband Networking Services. In 1972, email was developed and symbol @ came into use. In 1974, the term Internet was coined and also Telnet was approved. In 1982, TCP/IP was introduced as a standard protocol. In 1983, the DNS was born. In 1986, NSFNET program enhances connectivity. It enhanced the connections across the world. In 1990, the first web browser, Nexus, was developed by HTML. In 2002 to 2004, Web 2.0 was born. And till date, you can see the world is full of networks. So, in order to protect everything around the globe, we need cybersecurity. And this is where networking is very important while you learn cybersecurity. So, what are the applications of networking? Well, web, emails, then downloading and uploading files, cloud computing, groupware, that is video calls and chatting, right? You have a video call with your friends, well, that is an application of networking, and also some standalone applications. Let us have a quick recap. We saw how the internet was born, we saw what is ARPANET, we saw how the first message was exchanged between two different places, and then we discussed about applications of network. In the next lecture, we will see what are protocols and why protocols are important, and why do protocols make really important a connection in a computer network.